Greetings, students, and welcome to your Rapid Innovation Design Challenge, Part 2. This is where I will describe the technical requirements that's needed to observe the beach. My name is Mara Oriskanen, and I am a coastal oceanographer, and my design question and challenge comes into play with keeping an eye on where the river mouth is at this particular beach and how frequently does it change. I study where the water moves and how the sand moves around, looking at wave energy and the river discharge. But my problem is I cannot be at the beach all the time to keep an eye on where the river mouth actually is on the beach itself. So what I would like you to provide me is a way of monitoring this river mouth in a quantifiable way. I mean quantifiable because I want to know exactly where and when images are taken from. It would be helpful if they are in the same field of view, or at least many of them are in the same field of view. And it would be helpful to understand where the lagoon beach boundary is and how that changes over time. In particular, I wanted to start by showing a lot of pictures taken over this past winter at the same beach, where the first set of images you will see comes from many different fields of view, but they're more frequent. There are lots and lots of images that have been collected from many different locations. My problem as a scientist is that I don't know where these images were taken, but I can tell some cues about where the river mouth itself actually is. That's useful information because I get to see how quickly things change. My problem is I don't know where things change. The second time-lapse image you'll see is pictures that are taken all from the same field of view. They were taken all from the same location, pointed in roughly the same direction, and that gives me the spatial scale to understand how things change on a much larger scale and where exactly. But my problem there is I only have a few photos taken from that particular location. So I'm missing lots of information when it comes to how the river migrates and when and how quickly. So with my design innovation challenge, what I seek from you are the technical requirements where the first point is to quantify those images. I want to know what field of view they are taken from, where they are taken from, and from what time they are taken from, so that I can go back and correlate this to the other observations that I am making in this system. And then the last challenge for you, the last part, is to come up with a way to monitor where is the lagoon beach interface as a function of time, and how does that change, and how can we get that information on where that river mouth boundary actually is. So thanks for watching, and thanks for helping in this challenge, and I look forward to seeing all of your designs.